Spyderco Police Edition. Stand these up, roll them in the middle. My sharpener will not hurt the teeth at all. Now, I've done every kind there is to do by now. Take that Spyderco knife sharper than brand new. Feel your teeth. Does that feel a lot sharper? That gives them damn good, don't it? You know it. I got my sharpener $20 a piece today. I'm the only sharpener that truly works on serrated edges. Anything that has a smooth edge, you squeeze it in there tight, draw through. The rods will squeeze back so they follow the original bevel on a knife. They don't tear the steel off. They're made to reline the blade, put the original edge back up on any knife. Anybody else carry a knife? I'll show you the difference. I'm doing these today. I'm marking down $20 a piece. I can do hatchets, I can do cleavers, I can do outdoor goals. Run them through there. These pins rack well over 69. It's the hardest rod I can get made for them. As long as you got a bevel on the blade and it's made out of steel, we'll get it sharp. Block Sharpener, we will sharpen every blade. Visit our website today, blocksharpener.net. Spyderco Serrated knife. We're going to sharpen it today for Fort Myers Gun Show. I got the only sharpener that really works on serrated, guys. Feel your teeth before I do it. You will not believe how sharp they're going to. Don't do that when I'm done, please. When you roll a serrated in the middle, it does not hurt them at all. You're hitting one side going in, you get the back side coming out. I've done bench-made Spydercos, steak knives.
I got an actual Jack Daniels.
No metal comes off the teeth at all.
Mini bar in my house.
And it sharpens through the entire tooth. Alright. Okay.
Don't work out.
Here, feel the bite.
Work out, let me know.
Oh, God. Just feel it. Is that good or what? Is that the best?
That's good.
It works great. See? I've done every kind of serrated possible. It works on all serrated knives. Feel the bite to put on his teeth.
It does something.
Yep, I do these for $20 a piece today. Alright. And yep, smooth edges, you squeeze them in there real tight and bring the back of the knife up and hold the pressure.
So that unlocks it all.
And what they do is they adjust. It's got a patented flex, so it'll adjust and follow to your edge. You're not changing angles. You're putting the original level back in.
So when I'm ready to black,
$20 on them today.
That's what the bar pit hits. Okay.
I've been waiting for one of them Spydercos for a while. I do a lot of YouTube videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a double action.
Heck yeah.
Wait, you got a card so you can watch it?
Yeah, they're right on my website. I ran out of cards. I got my website on the packaging, and it's also on the handle of the sharpener.
Oh, okay, it's on the handle.
I'll probably have it out by around Wednesday.
Sigs.
Block Sharpener on the road. It'll be on there.
Cool.
Make sure it doesn't have a ammo in there.
We were looking for somebody to sharpen it.
All right.
We got both
Yeah, was
worlds.
that easy? I mean, feel these steak knives. It gets ridiculously sharp.
Wow. That's amazing.
You got a cheap juice, it's about $80.
Thanks, guys. Enjoy that.
Really sharp.
All right, watch this. Spyderco knife with serrations. Stand these up, lock it in the middle. I've done every kind of serrate there is by now. I've done bench-made Spydercos, micro-tech, I've done steak, bread, electric knives. This is very hard steel. Give me one more minute.
Oh yeah. They get used every day. That's my work knife.
Right on. No steel coming off. Watch this. Sharpens from the top to the bottom of every tooth. Woo, woo, woo. Feel how sharp you got. That works great, don't it? And you can also do your smooth edges. On them, I got a patented flex. You squeeze it in there tight. When you draw through, the rods are squeezing back. So they follow your knife's original bevel. Puts the original edge back up on any knife you own. I marked these down in the show for everyone to try today, $20 each. I'm the guy who makes them. That's my name and website on the handle.
I take it the knives are just
showing I can do hand boards, I can do your good hunting knives, kitchen knives.
That's pirate plate. All day long. That's pirate plate. We do rent back.
Oh yeah?
For a living.
Right on.
So that would be part of somebody's outfit all day long.
Right on.
In fact, it would
That's
be,
my outfit right there I wear sometimes.
in fact, that would be part of mine, because I would get that.
I sharper. I know I got
You
an axe.
have the axe.
Oh, you bought one of Pizza.
Yes, I
Ain't them
did.
beautiful? Yeah,
I
they are.
couldn't speak, I just pointed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She came and got me from
Hammer
another
knife.
booth and said, keep me from buying an axe. And then she drove up here.
Yeah, his stuff is sharp too, come sharp. Yeah, he makes good stuff.
Okay, I will
All
buy
right,
you one. We'll
20 bucks, anyone you like.
How about green and black? That way I can find it. Bright green so it doesn't disappear.
All right, that's yours.
You're looking for purple, right?
I was looking for turquoise, but I'll take that.
All right. Thank you.
Pretty much every adult uses a knife of some sort, whether you're cooking, hunting, fishing, or working. Therefore, pretty much every adult could use the Block Knife Sharpener, the hottest selling handheld knife sharpener in America. Sharpeners take little to no steel off your blade and deliver razor-sharp results. The Block Knife Sharpener is great for fillet knives, kitchen knives, pocket knives, everyday work tools, and more. A dull blade's actually more dangerous than one that's sharp. Stay safe with the Block Knife Sharpener. See demonstrations or order online blocksharpener.net. Lifetime guarantee and free shipping within 24 hours.